Hello, this is checkpoint 3.20 from section 3.3. They want us to find the values of x for which the graph of this function f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 3x plus 2 has a tangent line that's parallel to this line y is equal to 2x plus 3. So if you can imagine that this is some sort of parabola, and I'm just going to draw a rough sketch without really knowing how this thing looks like. And then you have this line, 2x plus 3, say it looks something like this. And they want you to find the point where this tangent line is going to be parallel to, so they want to find this point here. X is equal to, or we can put in the value of x into the f of x to get the x and the y value. And so what we want to do is we want to see what that is. Okay, so what we do know about this line, y is equal to 2x plus 3, is that it has a slope m is equal to 3. So what we want to do is we want to say we have the slope of the tangent line as a function in the derivative. So remember that the derivative is the slope of the tangent line at some x value. So if we take the derivative as a function, then that's going to be slope as a function. And now we just have to identify where it is. So that's what we'll do, is we'll take the derivative. So f of x is equal to this function over here. So the derivative of that for the first term is going to be 4 times 2. So that's going to be 8x, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So that's the first power. Minus 3 times 1, the derivative of x is 1. And then the derivative of a constant 2 is equal to 0. So this is all we have. Now this is your slope of the tangent line. And this is what we want the slope to be. We want to match it up to equal to the slope of that line, which is 2. And so what we'll do is we'll say 8x minus 3 is equal to 2, as your slopes are supposed to be equal to each other. And then let's solve for x. So we'll add 3 to both sides. You get 5. We divide by 8. X is equal to 5 over 8. So that's the x value, would be 5 over 8. Now to find the y value, I would take my 5 over 8 and put it into the function. So since they didn't ask for that, I'll just do it symbolically. 5 over 8 into the function, and that gives you your y value, and that gives you the point where the tangent line will be parallel to this line, which has a slope of 2. Okay, that's it. I hope that helps.